Everybody, it's Nisi. Just wanted to do a little review for you today on my Cooluli Infinity Fractal Pink 10-liter compact portable cooler warmer mini fridge. You can use it at home, you can use it in the car. It's great for skincare and cosmetics. I like to use it to put a lot of the little mini waters in because I work at home and it's close to my desk. So let's get right to it and take a look. Okay guys, well here's my little fridge. You can see it's very cute. I opted for the 10-liter. They do have them in smaller sizes. Basically I'm using mine for my home office because I work at home and I wanted to have some water and maybe little drinks next to it. So let's go ahead and take a closer peek. Here's what it looks like inside. It has two shelves that are removable. It actually holds quite a bit. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this up. I'll be right back. I'm going to fill it up so you could with half water bottles, which is what I use in it, not the full water. I don't know how many of those it holds. I always use the half, but this will give you an idea how much it holds. Okay, so I'm back and I have loaded the little fridge with half waters and it holds 12 of them, so quite a bit. Keep you in drinks for the whole day and then some. I like it because I don't have to get up to get something to drink. It's just right next to my desk and it makes it really convenient, makes me drink more water. But you can put cans of soda in it as well, and it is portable. In a minute I'll show you the back of it where it plugs in so you can see how you can plug it into the wall and everything. Okay, so here's what the back of it looks like. It has the fans in the back and it just plugs into the wall with the regular plug for your home. It also has an adapter for the car as well, so that makes it really nice. And there's a little switch in the back, if you look here, where you can turn it to warm or cold, and AC or DC depending on whether you have it in the car or in the house. So that's about it. I'm going to show you one more thing and then that'll be it. I've got it turned around here so you can see that it has the handle on the top and that you can just grab a hold of it, carry it with you. It's a little bit heavy when it's full, but it's not too bad. It's definitely portable, holds quite a bit. I've enjoyed it. It gets the drinks really cold too. I mean, I've enjoyed having cold water at my desk. It's been really nice. I've had it for a couple months now and it works perfect. Really cute. I think it's definitely a good purchase and I would recommend it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see other review videos. I like to do reviews of things because I love looking up information before I buy things, and a lot of what I do is go on YouTube for reviews, and a lot of the reviews aren't answering all the questions I have, so all the questions I have I try to answer on the video that I do. And if there's any other questions that you have, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.